Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notifications from the state and central universities, guys. Okay, that means here we are going to see the assistant professor or else the teaching position notifications from central as well as the state universities. And here for the permanent post assistant professor, it is a level 10 category, so the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking such type of permanent government jobs in the universities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, first we will see the vacancies notification from the central university, guys. That is Mizoram University. Okay, so actually in this Mizoram University, the vacancies are there, as per the contractual basis, guys. Okay, so purely on short term or else a contractual basis. So here you may check down the details on fixed remuneration, the period of contract, vacant post and minimum and other eligibility conditions. Okay, you may look here. The terms and conditions are given here. The prescribed form of application appearing at Annexure 2 and the criteria for screening appearing at Annexure 3 may be downloaded from the Mizoram University website in A4 size paper. The prescribed application fee is 1000 rupees and 500 rupees for the SC, ST, EWS applicant on submission of the supporting certificate. And here the fee you can pay from this one also, guys. Okay, so here the scan code is there. From the scan code also you can pay the fee here. Okay, so few more instructions are given here. The screening of application shall be based upon the provisions stipulated under Mizoram University Ordinance. Okay, and coming to the departments and all these things, the last date for receipt of complete application is 10th June 2021. Okay, it is the last date, guys. The complete application, that is Annexure 2, 3 supporting documents may be submitted to the Joint Register Establishment Mizoram University, Aizawl and Mizoram. So application shall be submitted by superscribing the post applied for along with post code on the envelope. Fine. And coming to the remuneration, teachers engaged under this short-term contract shall be paid fixed remuneration of an amount equivalent to the basic pay rules. The fixed remuneration is 67,000 rupees per month. And period of short-term contract, okay, the engagement on short-term contract shall be for a period up to 1 year initially. On the basis of performance review, the teacher may be reappointed for another period as described by the university after a mandatory break in service. And coming to the details of vacant post, planning and architecture on a contract basis, assistant professor, total 2 vacancies are there. Post code is LPLAU, it is for the open category. And coming to the minimum qualifications, assistant professor, the qualification required for this architecture program is first class bachelor's degree in architecture or a bachelor's degree in architecture and first class master in architecture or else its equivalent. Fine. So the desirable specializations are mentioned here and the experience are also mentioned here. So you once please check down, guys. Okay, and the few more points are also given here. And here in the annexures, the application form is mentioned. Okay, I will attach this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and the more details, please once click on that link, guys. And coming to the next advertisement is from the State University. Okay, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, of course, University Delhi. Okay, B.R. Ambedkar University Delhi. From this one, you may check down the recruitment notice, okay, in English. Fine. So it is a recruitment notice, guys. So here at a glance you may check down. Okay, so the university invites online applications from the prospective and eligible candidates for the various vacant teaching positions on a regular basis in the following disciplines. The subjects are human ecology, vocational studies, law, governance and citizenship, global affairs, School of Design, culture and creative expression, School of Letters, business, public policy and social entrepreneurship, undergraduate studies, liberal studies. Okay, so here the different disciplines are mentioned here, you may check down. Okay, design, visual arts, Hindi, management, sociology, history and English. And professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there. And in the assistant professor, it is a level 10 category. So the salary is in between the 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And apart from the teaching positions, here a few more non-teaching positions are also there. So controller of finance, assistant register, section officer and system administrator and senior assistant or junior assistant. And here the pay levels are also mentioned here. And as per the caste category, the number of vacancies are mentioned here. And coming to the last date to apply online application is May 1st, 2021. And the last date of receiving the hard copy is May 7th, 2021. Okay. So these are the deadlines, guys. And coming to the what we call eligibility conditions and all these things. Okay, click on this download. Then you will be directed to one PDF, guys. Okay, I will show you. Yeah, it is a PDF. So in this PDF, the details are clearly mentioned here. Okay, so pay level 10, level 13A and 14. Okay, the pay scales are mentioned here. So please once check down. And coming to the eligibility conditions, essential qualifications for the professor and assistant professor mentioned here. So master's degree with 55% of marks, and apart from this one, the candidate also must be qualified. The NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so almost all the assistant professor qualification, the similar qualifications are mentioned here. See, vocational studies also. PG with 55% and NET, SLET or SET qualification. So almost all the departments are maintaining the same qualification for the assistant professor category, guys. Okay, so these are the details coming to the state university recruitment here. So if you want to apply online, then here click for apply is there. Then it will be directed to the online application job portal, guys. Okay, it will be directed to this one. And from this page, you can start signing in and register and instructions for form filling. Okay, and then you have to submit your application form, guys. Okay. So finally, these are the two different types of notifications in this video. One is regarding the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi, and second one is the Mizoram University. So please share this information or else this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide